dears, how is it going on? In the last class, we conducted a test paper. All of you attended the test very well. Now come to our poem. Let's recap. Here in this poem, we discussed about the feeling of a girl who wishes to be a butterfly, a myna, a fish and an elephant. If she were a butterfly, she can fly with her beautiful wings. If she were a myna, she can sing. If she were an elephant, she can raise his trunk. If she were a fish, she can wriggle and giggle with glee. Okay, now come to our last portion.
If I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop right up to the moon. If I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop right up to the moon. Okay dears, listen. If I were a kangaroo, kangaroo. If I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop right up to the moon. Right up to the moon. Kangaroo, hop, moon. Right. Kangaroo, hop, moon. Okay.
Have you seen kangaroos? You might have seen in TV. They are very special. Female kangaroos have a pouch in their body to carry their babies. The baby of a kangaroo is called Joy. It's the national animal of Australia. Which is our national animal? Tiger. What are kangaroos famous for? Kangaroos are famous for the way they hop high. So here in this poem, the girl wishes that if she were a kangaroo, she can hop right up to the moon. Okay. Kangaroo, a herbivorous animal with a thick tail and hind legs. Herbivorous means plant eating.
If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms.
How many arms do we have? Yes, we have 2 arms. Can you see any 8-armed creature? Yes, that is octopus.
It has a soft bag-like body and large eyes.
Octopus, an aquatic animal with a soft oval body with 8 arms. So, here in this poem, the girl wishes that if she were an octopus, she can do many things at a time with her 8 arms. Next stanza.
So I just think I am lucky to be me, not you, but me. What do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me or just you? Just you.
In the end, she wishes that she is happy with whatever she has. So, my dear children, everyone is unique. Everyone is great. Always be yourself. Express yourself. Don't copy others. Okay, let's watch the video.
Chapter 3. I am lucky. Listen and recite this poem. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. If I were a bird in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. If I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. I just think I'm lucky to be me, not you but me. If I were an elephant, I would be thankful that I can raise my trunk. If I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop right up to the moon. If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. So I just think I'm lucky to be me, not you but me. What do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me? Or just you, just you? Let's know the summary of this poem. This poem is about the feelings of a young girl. The young girl thinks if she were any other creature like a butterfly, myna, fish, elephant, kangaroo or octopus, she would be happy and thankful to God for everything she had in her life. But in the end of the poem, she thinks she is lucky for what she is. She also asks questions to the readers if they are happy and satisfied with what they had in her life and if they feel themselves